Yeah.
Today we are going to IKEA. On the way, Ma is teaching me some French verb conjugations. We are going to take a tram to Parliament and then take a tram to IKEA. Spring is here in Melbourne. People enjoying the afternoon in the sun are beautiful. There were some people sitting on the grass, and flowers of different colors are blooming on the side of the road.
So many colors.
We took a picture with Jesus and dance while we are waiting for our tram. Always love enjoying food with Mom. The last time I came to IKEA, I tried the signature sweet meatball for the first time. It was so delicious. We also tried the berries cake, which was so creamy and refreshing.
So cute.
We drank coffee and chat before we start shopping.
Welcome home. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, we point out the one we liked. You ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
It's because we both touched it. Do you like my hair?
We ended up buying 3 plants and we carry lambs home on the tram, imagining how beautiful they would be at home. I didn't care what people thought of me carrying the big black pants on the way home. Just like every time I see someone holding a plant, I feel it is so cute just to imagine that they just bought a plant they like and wanted to put it in their home. And then we finally home. Our plants sit beautifully by the window, and now they are part of our family too, and we will take good care of them. Thank you for such a beautiful day. I love you, Mom.